3 years ago, I had vision problem. I could not see clearly even in class. Island of Hope Orphanage took me to the hospital for treatment, and my recovery required a lot of therapy. At that time, I used to pray so that God can heal me. Now my eyes are fine and I can see well using glasses. I really thank God for healing me and for His love.